All right. Here we go. This is a tutorial on what to do when you get your iTorus 3.0. So when you get your case, you're going to open it up and you're going to have a iTorus on top, and you're going to have a magnet on top. And then underneath the foam, you want to set your Torus down on your magnet. Underneath the foam, you're going to have an amplifier and your audio cables. So pull your amp out, and on the back, you're going to have connectors for the two speakers, like this. So make sure that they're tight. You're going to tighten the back and tighten the front. These things unscrew a little bit sometimes. And then just place them in. It has to go in a specific way. Okay, so it's going to be green and white are one channel. Green is going to be in the red. And then red and black is the other channel. So white's going to be in the black. Green's going to be in the red. Black's going to be in the black. Red's going to be in the red. This is your power supply cable. You're just going to put this together and plug it straight into the wall. This is a 4-pin connector, so it only aligns in one way. So there's a correct way to put it in. Just find that stopper, slide it in, screw it in, and then you can power your amp on with this button here. You got a power button and a volume button. Purple light will come on whenever there's power. And this is the aux cable, plugs into the back and the red and black port, and then the other end plugs into your phone, into your headphone port. Once you have that plugged in, I'll show you which apps and which website you can go to. So the Sound Lounge page is a good start. You can stream straight from the Sound Lounge page. That's ipyramids.net/soundlounge. Okay, so if you had to use an adapter, you have that. This plugs into the phone. This is one way. Play. Make sure your volume, check your volume, and then over here, check your volume. And you're testing it out. And then you take the magnet and you feel. Yeah. See? 20 hertz. Half volume. Now it's really moving my hand. So yeah, it's working. Okay, you can see that. And then I'm gonna pause.
She's going home alone now, with no one to answer to. And it's getting dark and cold out, but she sings her favorite tune. Oh, 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 that's what you're coming for, but they don't wanna let you in, and you drop your bag to the floor and you're asking what's happening.
Alright, this is the how to use the mini iTorus. Now let's get started. When you get this in the mail, you're going to open up your package. You're going to have a magnet. You're going to have a mini iTorus attached to a lanyard. You're going to see an aux cable. And you're going to see a medical Velcro strap for extremities. Okay, so first thing you want to do to get started, go to the ipyramids.net/sound lounge page, and you can test the frequencies and start playing from within this sound lounge page. So the circulation is a good test frequency. It's 20 hertz. So before you plug it in to the iTorus, make sure that the test frequency is playing through your speakers before you plug it into the mini iTorus. And if you have one of the newer phones, you're going to need an adapter, which is not included. Also, the phone and the audio device is not included. So once you have the frequencies tested, place the magnet over the center of the iTorus to test the vibrations and the pulses coming from the field. It's about 3 to 6 feet. It's most potent in the center, and the magnet will be vibrating to the frequencies. Okay, once that's tested, you can start playing. Other frequencies, you can explore our website. There's the Earth frequency, the Schumann frequencies, the audio recording of the sun, frequencies for bones, frequencies for the nervous system. There are chakra frequencies. Click on each chakra to play the frequency. It'll open up a separate page like this, and then you can play all from here as well. So if you're ever having problems playing frequencies from the browser, Safari doesn't update automatically, but Chrome does, so try opening it in a different browser. And when you click on play all, you're going to get this screen here, and from here you can download all the chakra frequencies. It's going to download only onto a computer. You can't download onto a phone, but once it's on a computer, you can transfer it over to your phone as a playlist. There are many brainwave entrainment apps out there. The one I like best for the iPhone is the ones by Bonsai Lab. I have the whole suite. You don't need to play the ambience. You can turn the ambience down on this app and turn the brainwaves all the way up. Another good app is Flame and Sound. The implosion frequencies. They have heart rate variability, chakra frequencies. Now, all iPyramids products are carefully hand constructed and thoroughly tested before shipment. So we have a 30-day guarantee refund policy on the mini iTorus. The mini iTorus are warranted to be free of defects in materials and workmanship for 180 days from the date of purchase. So when you're troubleshooting, if you're not getting any frequencies, go through these steps. 1, make sure all the connections are pushed in all the way. 2, make sure the volume is up all the way. For Android users, check the media volume. That's a secret little different media volume in there. Close out the app and reset it. This helps a lot. Try multiple different apps, and try multiple audio devices like another phone or another computer. Try multiple aux cables. Maybe the aux cable got damaged. And then some good frequencies to test with is 20 hertz and 432 hertz. And you always want to use a square wave whenever you're using these frequencies. Okay, if that still is unsuccessful, then please contact support@ipyramids.net and we can help you there. Now, the Velcro strap is there so you can support and hold the mini iTorus on an injury, on your extremities, your elbows, your wrist, your knees, your ankles, stuff like that. So you want to place the iTorus directly over an injury. Put the sweet spot, the center of this torus, right over the most painful area. That's where the most potent therapeutic waves are coming from. The longitudinal waves or scalar waves are coming right out of the center. And you can use that for about 1 to 3 hours a day is what's recommended. So check the website. There's recommended frequencies on ipyramids.net/iTorus. There's many frequencies recommended for many different injuries. And I hope you guys enjoyed. That's about it for now. We love to hear about your experiences, so feel free to tag us on your social media posts.